doing, sir? Would you like to buy some hot tamales?
No, that's okay.
All right, thank you.
My video camera cut off. This is Drama episode 4, part 2. My video camera cut off, so I'm doing this in 2 parts. As soon as I unplugged my camera phone from my charger, and the thing shut off. And as soon as the thing shut off, some Mexican walks up to my truck and says, "Would you like to buy some hot tamales?" No thanks. Stop soliciting. We got commercial company out here too. This is Drama episode 4. This is part 2 because my camera cut off. I don't try to do it in parts, but being that my camera cut off, I don't have a fucking choice. So this is Drama episode 4, part 2. I'm gonna walk across the interstate to Burger King, get something to eat. Alright, here we go. We're outside now. Where I'm about to be. Hold on a second. Walk across this parking lot here. Oh shit. Oh. Alright, here we go. My flash isn't on? Okay. Alright, walking across this parking lot. Sorry if it's getting dizzy. Yeah. Crazy out here tonight, huh? Fucking A. See him right hit the Flying J. Walk across the interstate here. Got the scales over there. Okay. This is what a truck stop looks like. Tanker. Okay. 4-wheelers are driving this parking lot. Here comes another one. Some asshole in a red Sunfire whipped around the corner real fast. Almost hit a truck. I don't want to turn my flash on. Oh shit, just stepped in something. See, I'm right off the Interstate 10, which is like right there. The TA's across the street. I'm at the Flying J. See, I'm at the Flying J, but I gotta walk across the street to the TA, which is on the other side of the interstate. So, I want to get some Burger King, and they don't have it over here. So Burger King is one of my favorite fast food places. Even though I gotta lay off that shit a little bit, I've always loved Burger King. Worked there for 7 years. I never got tired of their shit. Never got tired of their shit after 7 fucking years of working there before I truck drive when I was a teenager. Oh shit! They don't even have a fucking sidewalk here. Look at this shit. No fucking sidewalk. Son of a bitch. This is Texas, San Antonio. There's no damn sidewalk here. There's Interstate 10. Interstate 10 all the way from Phoenix. All the way across the panhandle of Florida. It's booming tonight. The freeways. Yeah. So anyway, I'm walking across the interstate here because I want to get some burger, bitch. Right over there. There's no fucking sidewalk? What the fuck kind of shit is this? Oh my god, I'm gonna get killed. I'm walking in this little median. Here's the road. There's no fucking sidewalk here. There's not even no room on the bridge there. Son of a bitch. I'm in the middle of this fucking median. Look, see, that's all the room I got. This is crazy. I take that back. The sidewalk's on the other side there. See, that's the room I got right there. There's like no room on the right side here. I'm walking this low median here. Gotta hope the cops don't catch me. They're gonna tell me to get the fuck out of the road. This little median is what I'm walking in. There's no fucking room here. The sidewalk's over there. I'm gonna get. I hope the cops don't catch me. Oh shit! Oh, comes a truck. Oh, look at this! Look at the military. Look at that! Military vehicles. Oh, here comes a bus. Oh fuck! I'm screwed now. Here comes a bus. I'm gonna get killed for sure. That truck back there is on the militarized vehicles. Had 3 of them, 3 Humvees on there. Son of a bitch. The sidewalk's on the other side. I made it. Thank God. People staring at me like, what the hell's this guy doing? Honking at it. Fucker. This is crazy, man, Texas. Shit, there's no fucking sidewalk. I gotta walk in that little median thing. I was on the wrong side. Well, here I am, TA. Just walked from there. Oh shit. A couple of guys arguing. Alright, this is Rob, Raging Rob. Not a lot to talk about. I'm gonna let it go. This is Drama episode 4. Hope you enjoyed. Kind of a short one, 20 minutes, whatever. Hopefully the next one will be longer. Almost got killed by a semi-truck flatbed and a bus walking across the freeway. Alright, peace.